Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful tools we have today. Yet, most people only scratch the surface. They type in a few words, get a so-so result, and then say, see, this doesn't really work. But here's the thing, the problem is almost never the AI. It's how we talk to it. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 clear steps to use AI especially checked in a way that will make you more productive, help you make smarter decisions, and get results that 99% of users can only dream of. And don't worry, this works even if you're a complete beginner. So, why do most people get it wrong? They treat chat like a magic 8-ball, asking it random questions on the fly. They'll type something like, "Write me an email to a client." The result might look okay at first, but it usually misses the mark. It doesn't have the right tone, the right intention, or your personal touch. Then comes the classic complaint that just sounds robotic. It's not helpful. But think about it. How can an AI give you a great answer if it doesn't know who you are, what you do, how you communicate, or what you're trying to achieve? Without context, all it can do is spit out generic, one-size-fits-all responses. The secret is to define your context once, clearly, and then use it over and over. This is where something called the master prompt comes in, and it's the foundation for everything else. A master prompt is basically a detailed profile that teaches the AI all about you. It's a document that stores your personal and professional preferences. It should include things like what you do for a living, your goals, how you make decisions, your communication style, whether you're brief, detailed, serious, or humorous, and what formats you use most often, like emails or plans. For example, a part of your master prompt might say, "I run a media company with 20 employees, creating educational content for entrepreneurs. I value clear, structured communication. All outputs should be concrete, realistic, and immediately actionable." Once you have this, the AI can tailor everything it creates specifically for you. Now, you could pay a consultant hundreds of dollars to create this for you. But there's a much easier way. You can have Chat do the work. Here's the process. First, give it a brief description of your role. Then, let the AI ask you targeted questions to learn more. Answer those questions thoughtfully. You only have to do this once. Finally, Chat will generate your complete master prompt. Just save it as a PDF, and you're good to go. Now, whenever you start a new task, you just upload this file, and the AI instantly knows who you are and how to help you. So, the master prompt tells the AI asterisk who you are asterisk. The next step is the system prompt, which tells the AI asterisk how to behave asterisk. A system prompt is a set of rules for the AI's response. Should it be brief or detailed? Should it offer critical feedback or just give you the facts? Should it brainstorm ideas or just answer your questions? Should it use bullet points, paragraphs, or tables? So many poor results happen simply because these rules are missing. Here's a pro tip. Don't guess what the best system prompt is. Create it. First, work with Chat to get a perfect result. For example, draft an email together, refining it until it's exactly what you want. Once it's perfect, just ask Chat, write a system prompt that will generate future emails in exactly this style. This creates a reusable instruction that delivers consistent, high-quality results every single time. It's like creating your own personal template for the AI. Another common frustration is that every new chat starts from scratch. You'll lose important information from previous conversations, which wastes time and lowers the quality of the output. The solution is using projects. Think of a project as a dedicated workspace for a specific goal. Inside this project folder, you can store your master prompt, other relevant documents, past decisions, new ideas, data, and notes. When you work within that project, the AI has access to the entire history and context. This is incredibly useful for long-term tasks like developing a business strategy, planning content for the next quarter, or even collaborating with your team. Yes, you can share these projects so everyone is on the same page, working with the same information. Now, let's talk about refining your results. Instead of generating a new response from scratch every time you want a change, you should be using the Canvas. Canvas is an interactive workspace right inside ChatGPT. The big advantage here is that you can save content, edit it directly, and refine it with the AI in real time. It's like working in a Google Doc, but with a super intelligent assistant right there with you. This is perfect for polishing an email, improving marketing copy, or structuring a strategy document. This iterative process of gradual improvement is what separates average results from truly professional ones. It helps you avoid AI hallucinations, style inconsistencies, and the frustrating cycle of endless rewriting. To save even more time in your daily workflow, you need to use custom instructions. These are found in your checked settings and let you define how the AI should respond by default, without you having to repeat your preferences in every single prompt. For instance, you could set your custom instructions to always use a clear and concise tone, avoid unnecessary filler words, organize results logically, and provide practical examples or action steps whenever helpful. Setting this up once saves you countless keystrokes and ensures the AI consistently communicates in a way that works for you. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you can move on to the next level, creating your own GPTs. If you find yourself doing a specific task over and over again, it's worth building a custom GPT for it. You can start small. For example, create an SOP GPT that takes your messy meeting notes and instantly turns them into structured action steps with assigned responsibilities. A good GPT has a clear system prompt, checks the input, validates the output, and can even offer different export formats. You could create a social media post generator, a meeting summarizer, or even a financial analysis assistant. You just plug in your system prompt, save it, and you've got a custom AI tool ready to go. This is also how many people are starting to monetize their AI skills by automating these repeatable workflows. To truly see the benefits of AI, it needs to become a habit, not just a tool you experiment with occasionally. The key is to integrate it into your daily routine. Create simple effects, then AI rules for yourself. For example, after every meeting, I will use AI to generate action items and responsibilities. Or, before I send any client proposal, I will use AI to extract the key value points and simplify the language. Or even, before I make a major decision, I will use AI to list alternatives and potential risks. Here's a simple 7-day plan to get you started. Day 1, create your master prompt. Day 2, create your first system prompt for a common task. Day 3, set up your first project folder. Day 4, practice refining a piece of text using the Canvas. Day 5, set up your custom instructions. Day 6, build one simple, custom GPT. Day 7, review your progress and think about how you'll measure your success. In conclusion, the real power of AI isn't about generating more stuff faster. It's about having a better process, clear goals, structured prompts, reusable instructions, and continuous refinement. This is what transforms AI from a fun gimmick into a reliable system that saves you time, improves the quality of your work, and helps you make better decisions. AI is here to stay. The question isn't asterisk if asterisk you'll use it, but asterisk how effectively asterisk you'll use it. By creating a master prompt, defining system prompts, using projects, refining with Canvas, setting custom instructions, and building your own GPTs, you'll be far ahead of 99% of other users. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, a thumbs up would be amazing. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get more videos and tutorials that make the world of AI easier to understand and use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.